Hi Tripti, please tell us about where you are from in India. Where are you studying right now? What course are you doing? Which university you are at?
Okay, so I'm Trupti Singh, and I currently am in Mumbai. I'm born and brought up here, and I study in Grigol Rabakidze University, which is based in Tbilisi, Georgia. I'm in fourth year of my MBBS.
Oh, that's great. Where do you live in Georgia? Which area?
I stay in Didu Bay, that is in Tbilisi. That is the capital city of Georgia.
Okay. So, what kind of accommodation do you have? It's a shared accommodation or
It's a shared apartment.
okay?
All of the medical students will live like in a shared apartment. So even for that, for my rent as well, I use Neo Global. I use Neo Global for everything because I have the local renowned banking card as well, but I enabled the international transaction, but it didn't work in some ATMs. But Neo Global just works everywhere, so that is the best thing I think. I
So,
can use it anywhere, anytime I want.
great. That's good to hear so many good things. So, what would be your monthly rent per person?
Per person, it's about $150 because we four stays together. So
$150 in a monthly rent. It's a good rent. What would be your monthly expense like other than your college fee?
yeah, I do it once. Like in one transaction, it's 500 rupees. No matter what amount I withdraw from the ATM, it's 500 rupees. So I do it in bulk for month or two, and it's that much.
Was
For even my for fees, it's like in lakhs. And when I withdraw, it's just like 500 rupees deducted. But other banks they charge in percentage of the US dollars, which is usually high. So for me, it's very affordable. Like it's not a big deal. 500 rupees on lakhs, on withdrawal of lakhs is fine.
how you manage your fee payments and local payments by with Neo card. Great.
Yes.
I also wanted to know what is your monthly budget like? How much do you have to spend when you are living there in Tbilisi,
I guess it's around $350. $350.
including food, travel, everything?
Food, travel, and rent, everything.
Great.
So I withdraw it. Like in once only I withdraw.
Again, and rest of the places you can do tap and pay.
Tapping, yes, definitely. Tapping in same currency with what is shown on Google, that is only deducted. So that is like nice.
So what are the other places you will be tapping the card, like mostly grocery stores or what, shopping? Where would
Grocery
you?
store, shopping, Domino's, McDonald's, everywhere. Wherever there is a tapping machine, I can tap my card. And it is. I observed that Neo Global was working everywhere, as I mentioned earlier. But many other, I do have other cards as well, for which I've enabled the international transaction. They didn't work like everywhere. So
Oh, that's great. So what would be your go-to place for food in Tbilisi? Like for Indian food, where would you go most?
it's a place called Palace Kitchen, which is very renowned, like that is famous. So we go there and we can tap.
So that's
We
an
can
Indian
tap.
restaurant.
Yeah, that is an Indian restaurant.
Okay, so you get all the Indian cuisines there.
Yeah, but I mostly go to McDonald's, and that is the comfort place. So, so we can tap our cards there.
Like how did you get the admit to this university?
It is a private university, so it was like in connection with some consultancy, and they did all our work.
That's great. How hard is the curriculum? Like is it tough to cope up or it's easy?
No, it's okay. It's nice. It's simply like India only. It's very similar to India, and we have a lot of conferences, meetings, and the. I guess you might relate the outside community is much stronger than what is it in India.
Okay.
So the community meetings, meetups, and conferences they often occurs.
So what are your future plans with this? Like do you have any expertise in mind that this is what I'm going to go forward with and all?
Yeah, I think that I'll some better country like UK or maybe Australia. It's like that.
Which field, like in MBBS also people become some kind of expert, somebody would become a
Yes.
neurosurgeon.
So
somebody-
I am more inclined towards surgery. So
So-
I'll work hard for it.
You plan to do postdoc as well, like MD, which we call it in India?
Yes. MDMS. We have to do that.
So is that in your plans as well?
Yes, it is.
And are you also planning to give that Indian exam to get the license to study?
FMGE, that is the examination. Yeah, it is the basic examination for to get the license of India for foreign medical graduates. So yes, I am planning to give that as well, so that I have various options with me, and that is
Great.
Uh,
Yeah.
so that I can decide on that basis. I've been using Neo since like around 1 year now.
Oh, great.
As an international student, Neo Global has been a game changer for me. That is what I can say. It simplifies my financial management. And as a medical student, I do not have much knowledge about finance and its management. But Neo, it doesn't make me bother much about it as well. So it is very simple. I just tap when as a female, I can say that we shop a lot. I can just tap it and the exact currency is deducted. What is shown on Google. There is no forex charge, extra forex charge. That is the best thing about Neo.
So when are you planning to go back to Georgia?
In actually a week. I have my flight on 26th.
So you have already booked the flight?
Actually, yeah.
You could have
Yes.
booked it from our app. You would have got, like, there is no convenience charges and all, and you could have used your Neo
Okay,
points
for
or-
next time I'll surely keep that in mind. That's for sure.
Great. Thanks a lot for your
Yeah.
time, Trapti. Nice talking to you. Maybe we'll speak again once you are at the university.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much, Virendra.
Bye.
Bye bye.